Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix SoFi login not working on iPhone. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, go to the App Store and then update your app. Open your App Store and then search for SoFi app, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is make sure to update your SoFi to up to date, or restart your iPhone. Then reset your password if you need. Tap forgot password and follow these steps using your registered email or phone. Privacy tip: only log in through the official SoFi app or sofi.com to prevent phishing. Quick fix: if logging still fails, clear the app cache by reinstalling SoFi. Try logging in from Safari or another trusted device. Contact SoFi support if your account appears locked or unresponsive. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast mobile finance.